let's copy this. Okay, I hope the array is clear to everyone. Okay, so now see, we just initialize our maximum element to the least element, okay, which is the minimum value that is possible for an integer. And I believe you all know about this strategy, everyone, right? When you have to find a maximum, try to initialize your element with the lowest integer possible. So let's say if the array would not have any negative elements, I could have just specified maximum to be equal to -1 as well. That is fine. But in my current space, I have negative elements as well. Okay, so I will just better initialize this to the minimum most integer itself, which I can get with integer.min underscore value. Okay, if you're using C++, I believe there is another denoter for this particular thing. Okay, so I think it is integer.max or something. But again, every language has their own most minimum element or the most maximum element possible for a particular data type. So again, we have initialized it to be maximum equal to, let's say, I'll just assume minus something for now. Let's say minus 10,000. Okay. Now I'll just run a loop. Okay, there is only a single loop over here. If you are able to see this. Correct. Int underscore minimum. Yes, yes, Manju. Okay, so over here, see everyone, this is an element which is telling me that where I'm ending the current subarray search. So if I start with this I is equal to 0, okay, my first subarray is -2 only, correct? So over here, I'll just compare -2 with maxi. -2 is lesser, or -2 is greater than maxi. Okay, so I will tell that the maximum element that I've encountered till here is equal to maxi, which is equal to -2. So this is what it is doing. Okay, I'm just comparing the current max with the current sum that I have, and then if this is whichever is greater, I'm just updating the maximum here. Okay, and then on the same note, I'm also identifying if the current sum that I've obtained, this is -2, right? So if I've obtained this -2, I know this is my past package which I want to shed. So what I will do, I will just tell that okay, maximum is equal to 0 in this case. Okay, as in these are two different elements. So maxi is still -2, okay, and the final maximum is equal to 0, the current maximum. Everyone getting this? Yes, no? Everyone? So this is just the strategy you need to shed the past baggage. Alright? Okay, so again, it's a very simple code actually, if you see, but again, if you look at the past, the big of n cube solution and the big of n square solution. So those were the main learning points in this. This is just a strategy. If you know about this, then it's good. And again, if you spend some time as well on this particular problem, then also you'll be able to figure this out. That I do not need the negative elements that I have. Okay, so in this particular question, can anyone tell me what is